Try to get it away from, remove it from the carburetor. We temporarily hang it out, hang it somewhere over here on the frame. I'm going to undo this bolt over here to remove the back brake from the wheel. Let's do it. I have to remove this cover in order to reach that little oil tube underneath over there. This little tube I was talking about, the little tube that comes over there here, the oil tube. I'm going to undo this bolt over here that's holding the absorber, the screw absorber. I think in case we remove this the absorber prematurely, the whole frame setup over here, the whole this side will come down. So I think we have to maybe keep the bolt over there. Actually, meanwhile I'm waiting for all the oil to be drained to this cap I put under there. There is a lot of oil coming, but it coming out gradually, very slowly. I think I have to wait. I think I have to remove the footrest over here in order to have a lot of space to deal with removing the engine. So I'm going to move this cap over here that's attached to the footrest. Meanwhile, you can see we are getting some drops over here from the little tube. That shows the oil. We are done with the oil coming from the scooter tank. So I'm going to go ahead and get the engine off. Try to remove all the bolts that's attached to the frame of the engine. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to undo all the bolts. So I'm on the other side of the scooter and I'm going to undo this bolt over here that's holding the engine. This wire over here like kind of got me off guard. Where is it attached? Because I can see it's coming all the way from here. Has to be disconnected. how to get rid of it. It's attached to the engine at the other side, just underneath of the air filter. How to go and loose it. Remove this one too, because I still think that the back brake is still being held by this bolt over here. It has a spring with it. How to get rid of it. Now I'm going to remove the whole carburetor over here. I'm going to remove it from the intake manifold. One little tube here. I think it's the fuel tube. It's still attached. The cable that's connected to something over here. So now actually I can say we are done with every wiring system over here. So now we can proceed to get the engine down probably. Well guys, it's time to lose the final bolt over here. I'm alone and I don't have someone to hold the other side for me with a spinner, but I'll place the spinner at the other side to hold it. And I'm going to use my impact wrench, electric impact wrench, to try to remove it. Let's hope everything goes through without problem. I'm going to lose it. It just came up without problem. I wasn't expecting it. Now I'm going to try to pull to remove every rod, everything that's holding the engine to come down. So this is the final part of removing the whole engine block from the frame. have one cable attached that I couldn't see it, didn't notice it. I forget that we have still this thing attached, the absorber attached. As you can see, I'm able to pull the whole engine setup on the floor. I hope you did learn something from it. It wasn't like a very easy job to do, but I managed to put it down alone. I didn't got assisted by anybody, as you guys witness. Next time I'm going to do like a whole I'm going to take all the pieces away and give it a proper inspection, because I bought it used and it's an old scooter. I don't know if something is like it's not going on well with the engine, so I'm going to inspect everything. Have new parts still to install, like a new top end to install, and I have an exhaust pipe, new one. Not it's the used one, but quite a decent respect to like compared to this one. If you like the whole video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and be careful out there. See you next time. Bye.